Today our learning objective is to write effective sentences for our non-chronological report. Today we'll be writing high-quality sentences for our non-chronological report, which involve adjectives and similes, as well as catchy titles. Watch the Black Panther clip about his new suit below. Listen for adjectives used to describe the suit and record them in your book. Watch the Black Panther clip again. This time listen for similes used to describe the suit and record them in your book. Can you think of similes of your own to describe the suit? We have an example here. As hard as stone. As we saw him when he kicked it, he went flying backwards through the air. Can you think of words that mean the same as dig? I've got a couple of examples here. Excavate, tunnel. Record them in your book. We're going to need them when writing sentences in the next few slides. Below is a sentence describing the suit using a simile. Can you spot the simile? Amazing facts. Strong enough to excavate soil as hard as concrete. So we've got strong and as the adjective, excavate the verb, and the simile as hard as concrete. Remember, a simile can also be written as it was like a brick wall. So we can use the word like. Amazing facts. Strong enough to excavate soil as hard as concrete. So that was the example I gave you on the previous slide. You've now got a task. Now write a quality sentence about the pangolin. Replace strong and describe how hard it is to dig the ground using a simile. So this time you're thinking of a word to replace strong, which you may have written down in your book already, a high quality word, and then also you're trying to think of another simile that could describe how difficult it is to dig into the hard ground. Use some of the words that you've got above in your example to do this. Record it in your book. Positive adjectives. Share some facts about the pangolin you recorded yesterday. For example, quick enough to scoop soil like a digger. Can you think of others? Positive adjectives. Tough enough to defy a lion's ferocious snack attack. So we can find the adjective tough and ferocious. Keep those in mind. We need to use those positive adjectives. Positive adjectives. Choose another positive quality of the pangolin and describe it using positive adjectives. Do not use the word pangolin in your sentence. So using the example here, we've got tough enough to defy a lion's ferocious snack attack. Write a sentence of your own, changing the adjectives in the sentence above. Snappy titles. Now we're going to create titles using puns and alliteration. So for example, we've got two examples down below. Kung Fu Panda, the pangolin, and then we've got super suited pangolin. And just to let you know, alliteration is when we use two or more words starting with the same sound or letter. Snappy titles. Using puns and alliteration. Here is an example for you below. I've used alliteration here when I've replaced the word strong and I've used the name of the animal, pangolin. So I've got the powerful pangolin. It's short, it's sharp, and so it's snappy. It gives us clear information about what is about to follow. Can you create one of yours on the next slide? Now create a catchy title for the report on pangolins using alliteration or pun. Remember, alliteration is 2 or more words starting with the same sound or letter. Record these in your book. You can do more than one. You may find that ideas will really flow and you'll get creative. So record them all, take a picture and share it with us. Remember to post your work online so we can mark it. Well done everyone.